So let me say this, girl, okay? I know this might feel like the fluffy part that's easy to skip, but I promise you, this part right here, this is where your business becomes real. Okay, so if you skip this, it'll show up later when things get hard, when you feel overwhelmed, when life gets to lifing. But if you just take 20 minutes right now to get clear on your why, you are going to thank me later. So I want to welcome you back. We're on day number 2 of the Start Your Own Soft Life Digital Business. This is my step-by-step series where I'm showing women how to start your soft life digital business. And of course, I got something for you, okay? If you want to, I have a digital product that's already set up for you, all right? And we talked about that in the first video, what done for you digital products are. Get it down below in the description at mysoftLifeBiz.com. That's going to be your first digital product. Not only are you going to learn from it, but you can earn from it, okay? That's what I love to teach here on my YouTube channel, because we're doing things softly, right? We're doing things that with more ease. And why not? Because I want to introduce you to resources, to products that people are already buying. And that way you don't have to start from scratch. Like, who does that? Like in the age of AI that we're living in, who wants to start from scratch? I know I don't, and I'm not, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing here on this channel, but we're in day 2 of this series. I cannot wait. Please don't skip this video because this is the most important part, but let's go ahead. Let's get the work done. So here's the truth. The strategy is easy. You know, I got you on that. But the part that keeps you going, that's your why. Yeah, like even as you go through this series, even when you go through the guide that I provided for you, you're going to hit moments that feel like a lot. Maybe it's the tech setup, maybe it's writing your emails, maybe it's even finding the time. And in those moments, you'll either shrink back or you'll rise up. Okay. And what helps you rise is your reason behind why and what you are doing. I'm going to encourage you throughout this whole process is to be your own hype woman. Okay. This is when you become your own hype woman, when you keep going, no matter what. This is when you light that little fire under yourself and you're going to say, I'm not quitting on myself today. I'm not quitting on my future for just a little bit of discomfort. And you can do that, right? When you know exactly why you started. So be your own hype woman, okay? Because the truth is, there are going to be some parts you're going to fail at. There are going to be some times you don't want to do it. There are going to be some times where you're going to be in confusion, right? The girls that win, like the soft life girlies who make it, who make money online on a consistent basis, we keep going no matter what. Yes, we have slow days. Yes, we have days where things are not going the way we want. Yes, life be lifing while we show up for our audience, while we still show up on a daily basis. Absolutely. But that doesn't stop us. You know why? Because we have a why. I have a why I do what I do. Yes, I love to encourage and inspire and to motivate women like you to get their business, their digital business started. But at the end of the day, I know my why. That's not my only why, but there are some goals that I want to reach. There are some milestones that I want to accomplish in my own life. Okay. So please know that your why is going to be a little selfish, and that's okay. Okay. Because nobody says you have to do this just to do it. We want to be here to make money. We want to make impact. We want to do all the things because we want to take our money to travel, to do all the things that we want to do. I love freedom. I love being able to wake up when I get ready. You know, I love being able to help women, but not only that, I love to be able to have my business set up so that it works for me and not against me. Okay. So this is why it's important to be your own hype woman. Cause even when you get 1 or 2 views on your videos, you got to know that's one or two people that decided to watch you. It's when you at zero that you have to worry about. Okay, if we're going to talk about numbers, it's at zero. But be your own hype woman no matter what. Whether you got 2 views, 500 views, or thousands of views. So I want you to pull out your notes app or your journal. You need to take notes, okay? And here's what I want you to do, okay? I like to use notes or get your nice notebook. And I want you to answer these 3 questions. Not now, but right now, okay? Because clarity, when you have clarity, that's going to build momentum. When you have clarity, your clarity on where you are going is going to be the encouragement you need when things are not lining up, okay? So these are the 3 questions. Question 1, why is it important to me that I get my digital business set up and running right now? Not next year, not when life slows down, but now. Yes, answer that. Pause the video and answer that now. Okay, question 2. When I think about where I want to be financially 6 months from now, what does that look like? What does that feel like? What am I doing with my life and time? Answer that. Yeah, right now. Question 3. What else could I gain from this kind of business? I'm talking beyond money, beyond just money. We want to make money, but how could this bless my life in a bigger way? Yeah, so you got to go deeper beyond the money because you're going to make the money. You're going to make the money. But beyond that, what does the money mean for you? Answer those. Now I've answered these. I have them in my own notebook and in my space. But when I answer these questions, it helped me to realize that this is more than beyond just getting hung up about me reselling someone else's course or resources. It's way beyond that. It's way beyond that, girl. Right? So when you answer those questions, it's not just about the vehicle, right? Because the resources that I offer, even down to the guide that I have below, that's a vehicle to get you to it. So what does that vehicle mean that I'm giving you, that I should be charging for? But I'm giving you this vehicle. What does that vehicle mean to you? How is you having this vehicle? How is that going to help you reach the goals that you want to reach? Yeah, we get a little deeper in this video, but I promise you, the more deeper you can get, the more clarity you can have when it's time for you to start your business, your digital business, whether you're starting, whether you're pivoting to something else. Maybe you've been online for quite some time like me and you want something new. I'm speaking to you, okay? Once you get that work done, then you're not just buying stuff just to sell it. It means something. It's a vehicle. You're trying to get over there. So this is just a vehicle to help you to get over there. So your goals are over there. Okay. They're down there. They're down that road down there. But these are the steps you need to take to get there. At the end of the day, yes, we need money to get there. But what does the money do for you? Okay. That's why I want you to think, because it's way beyond the money. These aren't just journal prompts. These are your anchors, okay? Because here's the reality. The business might feel hard for a moment, but so is staying stuck. So is watching another year go by without change. So is living a life that doesn't light you up. Let your why remind you of what you deserve. Let your why remind you of the promises you made to yourself. Let your why remind you that, yeah, you in it to win it, okay? And when you're clear on your why, girl, everything gets easier, I promise. You'll move different. You'll show up different. you'll become the version of you who doesn't just dream soft life, but she actually builds it. Okay. So if you're ready, you want to keep going. All right. The next step, we're going to talk about the next video. We're going to talk about setting your clear income, your pricing goals for your digital business. And I'm going to walk you through that. Okay. But for now, pause, take 20 minutes and write out and answer those questions that I gave you. Okay. Because you're not just here for the vibes, girl. You're here for the vision. All right. So this is day 2 of the Start Your Own Soft Life Digital Business. I'm Charlotte Deloach. So excited that you are here, and we're ready for day number 3. If you need a recap of day 1, I will link that below as well. Okay. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also hype your girl up. There's a new hype button so we can get this video out to more of the soft life girlies. Okay. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye, girl.